Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn the numbers and we will be learning number 1 to number 10. So we will be tracing these numbers and writing the numbers in these boxes. So let us get started. So here we have so many crayons. So let us get started with the color names. This is brown color. This is black color. This is purple color. This is orange color. This is dark green color. This is light green color. This is dark blue color. This is light blue color. This is red color. This is pink color. This is yellow color. So kids, let us color all these numbers and learn 1 to 10. 1. We will write the number 1 in this box. Number 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 'So we have written number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will write these numbers. 6. 6. 7. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 9. This is 10. 1, 0, 10. 10. Let us read the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you like coloring these numbers. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.